Hey goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to give you the tea on how to curl your hair like a pro. If you want to see how I got the look, then make sure you watch this whole video in its entirety. Let's get it. Hey goodies, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanel, and on this channel I like to do hair videos. What I'm going to do today, fashion, lifestyle, and just a little bit of home decor here and there. If you like this kind of content, then go ahead and like the video if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe and join the goodie gang. My goodies, my goodies. My goodies, not my goodies. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl your hair like a pro, okay? So this is a 24-inch Cambodian light wave U-part unit that I made. No, it's a closure unit that I made. I will be curling her today to show you guys how to style your hair like a pro. So first things first, to get a nice smooth curl look, you're gonna have to blow dry your hair. So as you can see, this side is a little bit more smoother than this side. Like, can you tell the difference? Like, you can see the waves here, right? This is in its natural state. I didn't do anything to this hair but just wash it and let it air dry. Whereas this side, I went ahead and used my blow dryer. So that's the first thing to curling your hair like a pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Hot Tools Professional and I'm gonna blow dry. So as you can see, it's a lot more smooth. The waves are gone pretty much. And this is the first step in curling your hair like a pro. So what I'm going to do next is make this look like a 2x6, okay? How to make this closure look like a 2x6? You don't want to have the hair, you know, going to the side like this. And I got a lot of hair to show, so yeah, I want to go ahead and put some curtains over that. I'm going to make diagonal parts. Okay, like towards the face, and then we are going to press the closure this way instead. All right, to get that 2x6 look. You see how that's just there? That's what we want. Okay, get another diagonal part. Like that. You see that? See how it's diagonal? Right? And then we're going to press. I hope you guys can see the lighting. I'm at my salon and the lighting here is just on 10 right now. So hopefully you guys can see that. All right. I'm gonna do that curtain diagonal swoop like this. Bam. Okay. So now when I take this down, like, you see how close that hair is to my face? Oh my God, look at that. This is how you get the look, the 2x6 look with the 5x5 closure. Like, look at that. And just look at the before. You see how it was just to the side, and now we have a nice bang that's coming towards, sweeping towards the forehead. So that's what you want. I hope you guys can see me. I look blurry. Oh my God, I hope I'm not blurry, you guys. See that now? It's a big difference. So I'm just going to reinforce the flatness right now. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Because it's got to look flat now. I don't like no bumpy looking wig, like a helmet. Can't stand no helmets, girl. Who playing football over here? Ain't nobody playing. I'm not a football player. Don't put no helmet on me. Okay? Good. This is how you create a 2x6 sweeping looking bang or a curtain bang. You see the difference? So I'm taking my my T3 iron, and this barrel is pretty big. I think it's about a 1.4 inch barrel. So what I'm going to do is start curling this hair up, okay? I'm gonna start curling this hair up like so. Just like that. And I'm not going all the way up because I want it to kind of hang long. This hair is long, so I'm not going to be curling it all the way up to my, you know, to my scalp, or to the cap in this case. If it was my real hair, then yeah, a scalp. All right, so I'm going to curl that and let it fall like so. And then what I'm going to do is take a clip. Ooh, this is hot, okay? Ooh, watch your fingers. Watch your fingers, because this is hot. I'm gonna take a clip, and I'm gonna clip the base of it. And then we're just gonna curl. So this is just a quick and easy style, like if you're going out to dinner or somewhere, you know, and you wanna look like you stepped out of the salon, this is what you will want to do. Quick hairstyle, really easy. All right, so now we're gonna curl this under the top, the last top layer. We are gonna curl it under, and I think I wanna put maybe 2 curls. Yeah, 2 curls right here. Not that many. I think I'm gonna have a total of 5 curls on each side. So now this one is going to be under. Curl this under. Oh, I think I want to take it all the way up. And then I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to clip this on top. All right, just like that. And this is the last one. So I have a total of 6 curls on this side. So this is how easy that it will be. All right, you hear me? All right, let's do this. Oh my God, I feel like this is gonna be so pretty. This is gonna be so cute. I wish I was going somewhere tonight. I should go somewhere. I'm gonna let this fall like that. And then we're gonna put a clip. On the top. Just like that. So this is what she looks like. Let's see. Then we're gonna do the other side. All right, so let me show y'all what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna just take some of this Sheen holding spray. So when you take them out, make sure they fall like Shirley Temples, going away from your face, okay? Like that. So you're gonna let this one fall like a Shirley Temple away from your face, like that. Okay? Y'all see that? I think this is gonna be so pretty. They look so pretty. First, we're gonna finger detangle these curls first, okay? Let's finger detangle them. All right, so let's brush them. Girl, this looks so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Remember them curtains? We're gonna put those curtains back, okay? Like, do I got a brush over there? Mama, find me a brush in my little drawer or somewhere. This is looking so cute. So I'm gonna take a little bit of BioSilk. This is some Sheen spray. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit on my hands. Like that. This is the Sheen. Girl, look at that. Look at that wave. Like, yes, honey. Y'all see that curtain? Okay, so let's do this side. Look at that. Girl, oh my God, this is so damn cute. Just have to kind of manipulate how the curls go. I think that's good. This is good. So if you need to, just kind of manipulate how the hair goes and you can just spray it a little bit like that. Wow, this came out so cute. All right, so this is it, you guys. I want to thank you for watching. I think it's so pretty. Oh my God, like I'm feeling myself right now. Like I am feeling myself. I think this is so pretty and girly. Let me know in the comments how you like it and how you think it came out. Give me your thoughts. And don't forget to like the video. Make sure you subscribe to join the goodie gang if you haven't already. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.